energía, timpa, gasta, cucos, contacto, cabo. Oye, Shomara! I wanted this back. Que mama DJ tá aqui?
Acho que eu quero que anda com o bobot money. Não tô orando bobot money, bom sabe?
That's beautiful, Mom.
Yes, Ana Luisa.
Hey amiga, today's video is in collaboration with Ana Luisa. They were so kind to give my mom and I some of their beautiful items. Especially during these crazy times, I believe that Mother's Day is extra special. So these pieces are a perfect gift to your mom, yourself, or to another loved one. I love Ana Luisa so much because I agree so much with their sustainability. 100% of their carbon emissions are offset. They work with limited batches to ensure the highest production standards while eliminating excessive waste. Their pieces are from exceptional quality. I have pieces that I received from them from over a year ago and still they are brand new, and that is because they are crafted with care from the best noble metals. And you also receive a 365 days of warranty, which I feel like that is amazing. A year, like that is amazing. Other than that, I also love that they are inclusive. They work with very fair prices starting at $39 to higher end pieces. And therefore there is no luxury markup and there is literally something for everyone. You can click the link at the very top of my description box. It will direct you to the website and it will offer you 15% off all items on their website. So a special thank you goes out to Ana Luisa for working with me. I love you guys so much, so thank you so much for this opportunity. Amiga, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Ana Luisa. They have sent me some pieces to gift to my mother. We're gonna do the gifting after the little brunch that I have arranged, but I'm here with my sister and with my mother. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
And we're now gonna have our delicious brunch. We also have like some questions about our family traditions to ask my mom later on. But for now, we're gonna dig in, start eating, and enjoy this little brunch. So bon appetit! Let me share with you all the things that we have for the little brunch. Right here we have blueberry banana bread. We have focaccia, vegan spring rolls. And then here we have a fruit salad. We have little pancakes. We have saltfish to put on baras. We have like normal spring rolls. Here we have like empanadas. I don't know how you say them, but they are Cape Verdean empanadas. We have vegan BLT sandwiches and matcha. So yeah, that's all the stuff we got. I tried my best. Oh, and we also have another cake here. I don't know how you call this, but that's that. And flowers, of course. These pretty flowers. Aren't they beautiful? All right, let's dig in.
Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops.
All right, amiga, we had our brunch. It was good, and now my sister already left. She had something to do at home, and now we're gonna do the little gifting with my mom. So Mom, Ana Luisa has sent you a few things for you and me, but 2 for you and 1 for me. So let me see which one it was again. This is yours. And let's start with this one.
Oh, thank you, dank je. Oei, wat leuk. Dankjewel.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Ana Luisa, leuk.
Do you want to try them on?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
Dank je.
Beautiful as an everyday jewelry too. Ooh, that's beautiful.
Oh, dankjewel.
Say thank you to Ana Luisa.
Hi, thank you to Ana Luisa.
Ana Luisa.
Ana Luisa.
And this is your second one.
Dankjewel. Oeh, wat leuk. Echt voor moederdag.
Yes.
Echt voor moederdag.
Let me
Leuk.
show the amigas. Look, amigas. Beautiful. You have a second hoop? Is it open?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ooh, that's beautiful. You want to buy it?
You.
That's beautiful, Mom.
Yes. Ana Luisa.
Let me show you a little close up. I received something as well. I already have like a few items from Ana Luisa from previous collabs, but I also received something today, and it is this pearl earring. So let me put it on. Ooh, that's pretty.
Mooi.
Mooi, yeah? And that's the other one. Let me show you a little close up again.
Mooi.
Mooi, yeah? Come mama lo visti e renci naki din futuro.
Renci naki, dorgo miti asina tanto renci. Mita vai pone nampa ocasión, awaki kuti lockdown. Mita vai wak, mita vai trabalho kuni.
Unta pa turdia sina?
Unta pa turdia, sigumita cambia, antere unta queda pa mi sali, ora verde, awaki ku sa tarta ako ta sali.
Do como ko e design ta classy, mita e ta pasco yenkos, no?
Kutupanha, sim.
Sim, ta pasco turcos. Bonita.
Allo menos un minuto visi dos renci yarka ba?
Ta dispe video
Sì, visi un so.
Sì, pero bonita.
Yes.
Okay. Since it's a Mother's Day video, I'm gonna ask you a few questions that have to do with being a mom. How was I as a child? Como me tava tata? Tempo que me tata mucha. Me tata bom mucha, mala mucha.
Bom mucha, lief. Pero sempre fresco. Maar wel only few.
Only you leave.
Ja.
Okay. Oh, and on top aqui?
Tenda.
Okay. What do you think of me making YouTube videos? Kiko mama tayo di e-echo kung mitatra video pa YouTube.
Ito yung leuk.
Kasi naman yung mar tabi. Of un pero.
Maar?
Maar die, niet dat je leuk, maar dat is niet meer die koma tabi.
Sim, ito yung leuk. Tapos smaak. Aming gusto ko na pero ito yung leuk.
Omdat je maar dat leuk. E-echo kung mitatra.
So, teka, amiga, alamal amiga. Hey, douche amiga. Dankjewel amiga. Pero ja, ito leuk. Ito leuk.
Okay. Thank you. What is something funny I did when I was younger? Kiko tata algo pret como tá assim, me tá muito. A forma tá mais young.
Ja, deu tá mucha. Uma coisa que me tá leuk, mas que da cor até o aqui. Ora como estava tá zwanga de noisha, então ora como me tava tá passando malo de zwangerschap, então como estava Jenny, tranti que erva para mama. Sempre vai trazer erva, crescer com blate dentro. Eu disse, pero como esse bebê eu disse nada, bebê não tomata saca, bebê não nada da passa. E coi maqueda, e coi me tá lui.
Sim.
Maqueda corda, e coi que tu vai.
Para ora me walk back, me diz assim, mané, ui, minta tem quase assim, não, pero minta tá, como muita minta tá mira nuts, para quem tem baixo e blate na foto beta saque back, pero então bedoel assim, não.
Então sempre também me tá com queijo na pida, então sempre bota para botar na queijo para botar morde e queijo para nele papa, me tá bisa coi corta queijo, não, coi corta queijo corta me mau é, né que tá mamio. Típico assim, pero quando agora que da corda que tu vai.
Have you learned anything about makeup or beauty from me? Mama assim algo over the makeup of beauty de Ami? Como tá assim é vídeo né? Tem coisa que mama assim echt door de Ami of não?
Sim, apesar que me mesa vai
less de
makeup, pero tem certa técnica não sei como assim é tipo.
Vooral de parte die dagcrème.
Sim, dagcrème, com nachtcrème. Então tu bem você pero mama mais makkelijk. Compra dag en nacht samen.
Sim. Se tá muito para cara tá sendo mais makkelijk. Verdade. If you had to rename me, what would my name be? Se mama tá tendo nome outro number, Kiko e number lo tá.
O nome lo tá Jennyfer.
Sim?
Sim.
Nome mesmo tá passa.
Sim, nome tá passa.
Okay. When were you most proud of me? Que dia tata dia como tata mais trots riba me?
Dia me tá mais trots riba bo? Da dia kubo estágio não kubo corre de bem talando.
Dessa. Kaya siguro esse merca mas tanto.
Esse merca mas é um prome kubo vai correr na corso na KLM. Anto no Falaval, anto ku KLM.
Sim.
Então, isso mais, isso outra tava desse agora vai Texas.
Sim.
Com babai, com avião vai lagabo.
Para com uma manage.
Com uma manage, vai que dormir no hotel, andamento, tá passeio, esse.
No, thanks. Então sabe como é isso aqui? Descrevi é homem perfeito para mim. Describe my perfect man, guy. Quem conta é homem perfeito para mim?
Quando você tratava bom, mas nem bem na walk.
Sim.
Ben tá livre.
Sim, Ben tá bom.
Sim.
Ben is the perfect guy, of course he is.
Sim. The number de just Ben is...
Ben tá bom. Yeah. Ok. Para mim agora tá me dia mas mama cometi vrij. Mama di ok, tá aqui. Me digo mama se guy Suriname. Mama di ok, que tá assim. Então como eu digo mama rechte tá assim, tempo. Mama di coran ko gusta.
Sim. Pero Ben tá bom.
Ben tá bom.
Sim.
Ok.
Ben te respeito, Ben is goed.
Alright. Well, that is it for the little Q&A with my mom. We want to thank Ana Luisa once again for the nice goodies. Thank you so much.
Guarda pa yun ng bestel ng Costa Ana Luisa.
Yeah, order your stuff at Ana Luisa, your Mother Day stuff or something for yourself if you want, because it is just the perfect gift to yourself or to a loved one. And make sure for international shipping to order in time so you can get it in time. And of course, you can also gift your gift later to your loved one if it arrives later. But yes, I'm gonna help my mom pack up everything that we did for the little brunch, and then I'm gonna continue my travels back home. So yeah, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Say bye to the amigas, mama.
Bye to the amigas. Bye.
fighting ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it.
What is up, amiga? It is now a few days later. I am currently working. After work today, I have to pick up my mom from the station. She is coming to spend the weekend with me and with Benny a little bit. Benny is not going to be home that much this weekend, but she's coming to spend the weekend with me. So I thought I would include that in the vlog also. So yeah, this weekend is going to be a lot of fun. Last weekend was fun too. But 2 weekends in a row with my mom. So I'm not mad at that. Right now, I'm gonna work. I have to work till 4:30, and then as soon as I'm done, I'm gonna go to the station to pick my mom up. And in my lunch break, I'm gonna get ready, put on some beautiful jewelry from Luisa and whatnot. So yeah, I'll talk to you in a little bit, but first work.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want.
Alright, amiga, makeup is done. I'm now gonna put on my jewelry. Of course, it's Luisa. I'm gonna wear this necklace today. This is from one of my very first collaborations with Luisa. But as you can see, they still look good. They didn't tarnish. Everything is perfectly gold. Nothing tarnished or turned green or anything. And I had these for over a year or a year, I think. Like, I had them for quite a long time now, and I'm just still so happy with everything. Everything looks amazing, and it's just beautiful dainty jewelry that you can just wear every day. And like you can see, like, I'm not doing anything special today. Just gonna go to the station to pick up my mom, but I just love these for my everyday jewelry, you know? And I literally wear them a lot. I love jewelry. I love dainty pieces because you can match them with anything. Like, I love it. See? It's just something really simple and dainty and cute. And then for my earrings, I'm gonna do the latest addition to my collection, in combination with something that I already had from Luisa. I'm gonna wear these little huggies. I think they are called Celeste, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the name of them on the screen. But they're so cute, and I always wear them like in my second, like, no, I have 2 piercings, but I wear them in my second one. In the first one, I'm gonna wear these. These are so pretty. And these are my latest addition. Because of course my mom got 2 items and I got 1 because it is a Mother's Day video. That's fine. And then my mom can also experience how beautiful the jewelry from Luisa is. But this is it, really pretty, but also like a little statement, you know. I like the little pearl. I've been enjoying it so much ever since I received it. So yeah, that's that. And I always have my other jewelry, which is also from Luisa, by the way, in this little pouch that is super handy when you are traveling. I'm not traveling as in taking planes and stuff, but sometimes I go to my mother, or I do like little photo shoots and stuff, and I want to bring like my excess jewelry, and I just like to put them in something like this, and then I just put this in my bag, and then I have it with me, you know, so that I can change it up. But yeah, hair is down in like this little blowout that I did the other day. I'm gonna keep it down today because it still looks good down. So I know from experience that I should enjoy it while it lasts. Maybe I'll put on some sunnies later. That's my statement look. But yeah, this is my makeup and everything, and I am gonna wear this perfume today. This is the Musk Noir from Narciso Rodriguez. They have such good perfumes, I love it. So I'm gonna wear some of that. And then I'm ready to go pick my mom up from the station. Just a little bit of work still, a little less than an hour to go. And then I'm gonna go pick my mama up from the station.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
Alright, amiga, I am at the station. I'm gonna go upstairs to pick up my mother. Let's go. Let me put on my mask so that I'm good.
When you're sweet talking to me, now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you.
¿Quién tomando Andy? Hey, mama! Hello! Bom? Tranquil.
Kasama si Pekka, pone con aquí, ¿no?
Maritas na Antwerpen. Ito? Mga bisikets. Ha? Dunkin' Donuts. Pertama kita kumana mall.
Eh, mayroon puri parang dugo.
Nauna?
Sephora?
Sephora?
Sa Sephora kikinapki mo.
But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we love, it's not a long way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Or won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter.
I'm now with my mom at the bus stop at the mall. We're waiting for our bus, but I bought her a new pillow because I want her to sleep comfortable. And we have like all my groceries and stuff, and also my mom had brought a lot of stuff. So we're now enjoying the sun. We had so much luck with everything, like transport wise today. That's the last one, of course. We have to wait like 15 minutes still, but it's fine. We're just enjoying the sun and waiting. And I think there's a bus coming. Bye!
Here with me. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked.
I mean, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Look at this. Yesterday we came back from the mall, but I had to start cooking and I forgot about vlogging. But today we're gonna prep everything for roti. My mom is gonna make roti at home. And then when we're done, we're gonna shower and get ready. And then we're gonna go to the mall to do a little bit of shopping. Mama, do we go? Oh, let's go. Say hi, go. Okay, that's important. She slept well, so that's important. But yeah, we're now prepping everything for roti. Here we have shrimps. And here we have chicken that is currently in vinegar and lemon. And we're gonna spice it, I think. And then after that, I'm gonna prep breakfast and something for us to have before we go to the mall. So yeah, I'll keep you up to date.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right.
Yes. Amiga, we're now at Weinigem Shopping Center and we're gonna do some shopping. Let's go. I wanted this bag, but it has like it reminds me of the Dior bag. But listen to what my mom said. Que mama dice tas aqui?
Acho que eu quero que anda com o bobot money. Não tô hora do bobot money, bom sabe?
Oh my god. Alright, amiga, we are back home from the mall. We're now gonna put away like some of the groceries that we got at the mall. And then I think we're gonna head to the city because I bought like a day ticket for my mom for the bus. And we need to do one more ride at least, like a round trip to get our money out. So that's a very good reason, but it's also very, very nice weather outside. So we're gonna go to the city, I think. My mom is complaining a little bit about her knee hurting. So we will have to see if, you know, I'm gonna take it easy on her. But I think we're gonna go outside still and try to at least see, you know, a little bit of scenery. Alright, amiga, we're now at the bus stop, waiting for the bus. And the sun is shining, so it's really, really nice. Now we're going to the city of Antwerp. We're gonna try some stuff to make some Caribbean chicken soup because my mom really wanted to. And then after that, we're just gonna stroll around, maybe get some froyo. Maybe, maybe not, we'll see. And yeah, we're gonna take you along. Alright, amiga, we are back home. My mom is currently taking a shower and I just changed into my comfy set because I am exhausted. I'm now gonna make the greens for the roti and my mom is gonna bake shrimps because today we have like chicken, roti with chicken and also roti with shrimps. Homemade. My mom made everything this morning as you have seen in this video. So that's what we're gonna do. Maybe we will also do a haul of all the things that we of all the things that we bought today. My mom said she is not gonna do a haul with me because she doesn't want anyone to know her business. So I'll let her say that herself later. I'll ask her again. I'll try. But maybe it will be just me showing off. Maybe it will just be me showing you all the things that I got today. But we'll see. Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the kitchen now and start working on the kousenband. Dinner was amazing. It is now past 11. And look what she's doing. Baking cookies now, huh? Baking cookies. She was literally napping. Nasonyo ito ta. Ela bulan ta pakacha o ta letter ito tra. Cookies. Sige, mata sinakas? Sí.
Hola, que a me falta ese número, se te lo me sacó mi dolor, mi mamá me trae 2 de hecho, no tengo mi cabeza arriba agua.
Ok. Aqui tem uma massinha atrás, letra.
Aqui temos assim atrás, viu? Frango suave, se nós é dalme, podemos assim turcos.
Então, você manda tem mais chiperines, não? Então, mata tem cozinha.
Sim, sabe como tem color bom mampa, você não vou fazer serva água. Para vou criar boiona.
Sim, cara. Então, manda corta pouco quem assim a mata a letra.
Não é assim a mata a letra.
Não é assim a mata a letra.
Não é assim a mata a letra. Receita marisa traleta, põe mi ingrediente na mi tep na de mi mesco traleta.
Ok. A ver, nos abay weinigem, nos abay yenga nos abay, pero camina que le gusta más tanto, también e camina di koi kumina, kukrait.
Mentiras.
Então, sabe que eu tô mandalore com aqui?
O que é uma chimba que é galera?
Santo eu. Então, tu rasa ali mesmo S. Mas chama Lester, é costa que chamara.
Digo, não molesta.
Mas chacos.
Não molesta, só vou ter lora bom mango, vou fazer.
Pero eu vou ter que trazer a avó. Tá que hora
vai
acabar?
A
mim que vai cocaína aqui tá mais barato, não me quer ver coxinha aqui stroll. Tô com a mama passando na Bélgica aqui.
Machaloik mes.
Sim.
Machaloik mes. Turmi potoni aqui da blood bashi.
Daqui que eu te cosco uma que dá mais contento com ele. Alles die het tripje.
Mag een machine mis, mag een machine kos, machine mis, mag een basloof. Pero eigenlijk mag een brandon pero minuto de anestesia,
Pero então também tem anestesia.
Não, mas mag een brandon
para verwen
op pidoro, sim, então me quero verwen mes, ui.
Sim.
De quarentena aqui, mas cheguei não. Me tô verwen mes, pero mas cheguei me verwen mes. Assim aqui. Dentro do bico.
Sim. Tocando com a beca canamento.
Eu bacana também do leipia. Away para ser da mãe, eu tenho que beber agora. Bebe para ser da mãe, mas vou beber uma away trove. Não te pia, tira cabeço, então vamos lá atrás dela também.
Plancha llena. Good morning, amiga. It is now the next day, and of course we're in the kitchen again. Because that is my mom's favorite room. And now we are making... E nós fazemos, mama?
Põe forno.
We're making bread. Antillean bread. Out of the oven. I don't know where else you... Because you say pan forno. Pan di forno. But where else are you supposed to bake the bread? Isn't it always in the oven? Pan di forno, da onder altijd yung going keer pa dentro.
Vroeger, mijn forno tem ali forno para fogo.
Forno para fogo.
Forno tá ali klenko.
Di klenko? Nakita klenko?
Klenko tá. Mas sai sorte que daqui tem uma klenko yo.
Steenoven?
Sim, já foi, quando já foi, né? Ja, uma beira isso.
Ok. Bueno. Agora minha linha tá chiquinha. Mas vai ser capaz com yola. Então yola traz pana aqui para impregnar.
Deve ter coisa não.
Sim. Coi a real me viu né? Corse que pão dos mal você ainda de preg. E deve bem coi vou fora vou preg.
E ela não só se cai besta.
Gede? É, vai que eu vou fazer o preço. Mas coi fora que preg, hora que tá claro acaba. Não me dá comer dieta, mas bom me conhece a hoje. ¿Qué pasa, chamaritos? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa, chamaritos? Así. Wall is wall.
Ahora me voy con son de
Look, and the breads are done. My mom is making one for Benny so that he can try and see what he will get in the morning in Curaçao.
Así ahí te da la rosilla. Benny, proeva. Benny, laat Jenny je proeven.
Proeven, Benny.
Jenny, can I enjoy my...
Ja, wil je een taste-testje doen?
Gewoon daar nog aan, Benny, in het hapje. Jij moet naar Benny rust.
Lekker?
Lekker.
And look at this little surprise! Hey guys! Hey Kaden! Kimmy! And Nova!
Hallo.
Say hello! They came to surprise us. They said they were coming, but I wasn't sure, but they still came, so that's so nice. Like we have a full house today.
No, why do they always do that? You know why? Because it's a charity.
Lekker eten en Novi, het is allemaal.
So if I adopt someone from
Lekker
India
soep,
or
hè?
Africa, I will get money from the state.
Het komt flink.
Toch gewoon bon.
And if you do it like someone from here, you don't get shit.
Ja, hè? Lekker hè? Hey! So amiga, I've been home for a while. I've dropped my mom off at the station. She is also already home because I have been home for a while. I've been chilling with Benny a little bit, but I quickly wanted to do the little haul. It's not that much because we just focused mostly on like making delicious foods together, me and my mom, and also just having a good time and spending time together. But I still got a few things, so it's not too much, but I'm gonna share it with you. The first thing is from Easy Paris, and I have this perfume from Jean-Paul Gaultier. My mom actually brought this one for me from the Netherlands. Let me share with you how it looks. This is what the bottle looks like. Very bougie and pretty, but it smells absolutely mysterious and sexy and so good. Like, it's in the perfect range of perfumes that I like. But what does it actually smell like? I feel like it is in the range of the Dior in Bloom, that kind of perfume. So if you like that type of perfume, check out this one. You will love it. I had the original one time, but I didn't really like it that much. Then yesterday I got a foundation powder from MAC. It's been forever since I bought anything from MAC, but this is the Studio Fix powder plus foundation, and I'm in the shade NC45. I had this before years and years and years ago, but I've been into like more of a natural look, and this will really work for that. So that's why I got that. Then next up, I got a beautiful dress from Zara. I actually should try this on for you because I know you will see it better. But it's a maxi dress, a red one, and it is in this pattern with like balloon sleeves. So it's really, really pretty, and I tried it on and it looks absolutely beautiful. And then I also have a few things from Stradivarius. The first things are these sandals in this pastel green color. They're super cute and not too high. I love the heel. Then the fact that it's just a thick heel, so love that. And then I also got this blue body. I got this to wear like under a sweater vest that I have, a blue one as well. I thought like a body like this would look very, very cute underneath that. It's really simple and basic, and it was only $9.95, but it's in this like striped material. I hope you can see that, but it's that striped material, very pretty and nice. So I'm curious to see if it goes well the way I have it planned in my head. And then I also got a very nice satin blouse, also from Stradivarius, and it's oversized in a very pretty blue color, and this was only $19.99. But I love blouses like this anyways, and especially if they're oversized, that is going to be super nice. So yeah, that's it for the little haul. That's everything that I got. And I think I will wrap up this video here. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out Ana Luisa for Mother's Day because they have amazing sales going on right now. So make sure to head over, use the link in my description to check it out. It will lead you directly to the page. And yeah, check out something nice for your mom or for yourself or for one of your loved ones. So make sure to do that. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa, once again for working with me for this video. And yes, I hope to see you soon in another vlog. Mwah. Bye!